all want to know that the roof over our heads is safe and secure. And when hurricane season comes around, this is especially top of mind. The experts at Roofing by Curry are here for you in more ways than one.
Our business is family-owned. I started the company myself. I'm the founder in 1986 in Sarasota, Florida. And we have my son working here, my grandson working here, so we're a third generation company. Well, like many people, I got interested in roofing because I needed a job. Someone I knew happened to need someone to help them, so I went to work working for somebody and then eventually decided I could do this on my own, so started my own company. And the number one priority of this company with the community is to make sure they have a company they can trust, a company they know that will be honest with them, and a company that puts the community first and gives back to the community.
Many people don't realize that in Florida, a roofing company must be licensed and insured to perform work.
Your roof is the most important part of your home. It protects everything on the inside, and you need to make sure the person you're hiring to do it is going to do a good job, follow all the codes, get all the inspections, have all the proper permits, and workers' comp completely covered to make sure that you are covered. There's a lot of companies that are just qualified, but they're not actually the license holder. That's something homeowners should do some research on. Who's the qualifier for that company? Is it the owner, or is it just some random person? Who's verifying the knowledge of the job? In our case, we are both licensed and fully insured. Our slogan, "Why Worry, Call Curry," is more than just a catchy marketing phrase. It dictates all the decisions we make here.
Our motto, "Why Worry, Call Curry," started many, many years ago. I'm looking at a way to distinguish what I do, what the company does from other companies. That motto came along from the fact that one of the biggest problems people have is choosing a roofing company. They don't know how to choose a good roofing company. And so I thought, well, we'll have a slogan that gives people the notion or communicates to them that we have something that we want to tell you about our company and what we do and how we have trained installers, and we know that your roof is going to be installed properly to the manufacturer's specifications, to the codes, so that you are confident when your roof is complete that you have exactly what you've invested in.
They're proud of their relationships with their employees and credits them with their great decades-long success. With over 150 installers and no subcontractors, they truly are experts at replacing your roof.
All of the people that work here, all of our technicians, all of our installers are our employees, and they are trained in each task that they have to do, what type of roof they're putting on, and we have all of that certifications for all of them. There's a lot of different options now you have for roofing when you decide to replace your roof. You could stay with the type of roof you already have, whether it's a shingle roof, a tile roof, a metal roof, but there are other options. A lot of people will upgrade from a shingle roof to a metal roof. Sometimes people upgrade to a tile roof. That's not as usual as staying with what you already have. Well, we obviously will give them the options, and we'll explain the benefits of each one of them, the cost factor involved. Is there a value increase to the property if they go one way or the other? And so they get to make a decision as what's best for them.
And they're the only certified Tesla solar roof installer in Sarasota. As you may know, solar roofs are a renewable source of energy that provides energy bill savings, a healthier planet, durability, and increased home value. Interested? They offer free consultations.
Roofing technology continues to move forward. Right now, the new thing is integrated solar with the roof. No, traditional roof with traditional solar. Now, if you need to get a new roof, you can get the new roof with solar in one. One contractor, one manufacturer, and one warranty. It's the future of the industry. And Tesla's solar roof has the highest wind rating at 194 miles an hour, the best wind rating of all materials. In a lot of instances, the Tesla solar roof can actually get a larger production of kilowatts than traditional solar. Traditional solar is very limited on where it can be stacked on the roof, but with the Tesla solar tiles, they can be staggered and they're very flexible of where they can be laid on the roof, which can, at the end of the day, can generate a larger system for the homeowner. The best benefit for the integrated solar is you become energy independent. Your roof is your private utility and you're generating all your own electricity. The install starts similar to any roof. We remove the existing roof down to the decking, replace any decking that might need replaced, start with the brand new underlayment, we install all the trims, and then we start setting the tiles. Some solar tiles are inactive, and then the other PV tiles are the active, which generate electricity to power your home.
And because they believe in giving back to the community, they are involved with Habitat for Humanity. They also started something called Curry Cares.
Our Curry Cares project is where we provide free roofs for individuals and families that are in desperate need in our community. We also partner with Habitat for Humanity of Sarasota, where we help homeowners in need with roof repairs and replacements through their critical home repair program.
The why we call Curry basically boils down to one thing, and that's trust. And we believe that we're the company that you can trust, that we're going to do everything the right way, and that we're going to take care of your home as if it were our own home.
So are you ready to make the move to solar? Or are you considering a new roof? Go with the experts at roofingbycurry.com and visit our website, designingspaces.tv.